So we only bottled the lime lemonade last night, but it's that fizzy already. It's ready to use. I think the trick with that was we put it into a warm liquid, and as these yeasts and things grow very well in anything that's around our body temperature, that came together really quickly. So we've got our limeade ready. I know it's like probably not the best for our immune system, but I think everyone at home is trying to treat themselves a little bit to just stay sane while they're stuck at home. So we're gonna have a little bit of vodka lemonade with our fresh lemonade. Hear that pop? I mean, that's, see, it's coming up. So and that is vodka with homemade lemonade, and it's carbonated just by the bubbles that we grew from our ginger with sugar and water.